Removal. On the bottom of the notebook, remove the four 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top cover to the base enclosure. Loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top cover to the base enclosure. Remove the three 8mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top cover to the base enclosure. Turn the notebook over and open the display. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the top cover from the base enclosure and lift the top cover until you have access to the battery connector on the system board. Remove the tape that covers the battery connector and disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the system board. Important: if a webcam is present on the top cover, you will need to disconnect the top cover webcam ribbon cable from the ZIF connector on the system board. Remove the top cover. Note: before installing a top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: touchpad board and bracket, top cover webcam if installed. Reverse this procedure to install the top cover.